Welcome to our channel CS Learning House. In this video, we will learn the concept of software. However, moving to the topic, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, you are requested to subscribe this channel and click on bell icon so that you do not miss any notification of new video from us. Let's move to the topic now. Software refers to a set of instructions and programs that tell a computer what to do. It's like the brain of the computer that enables it to perform various tasks and interact with users. Software can be thought of as the applications, games, and tools that we use on our computers, smartphones, and other devices. Just like you follow a recipe to bake a cake, software provides a recipe for computers to follow. It includes a series of steps and commands that guide the computer to carry out specific operations and tasks. These instructions can be written by computer programmers using programming languages. Software can come in different forms, such as operating systems like Windows or Mac OS, word processors like Microsoft Word, web browsers like Google Chrome, or even mobile apps like Instagram or WhatsApp. Essentially, software is what makes our devices useful, allowing us to perform tasks, access information, and enjoy various digital experiences. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, kindly hit the like button, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe this channel.